Today I want to show you my top kettlebell exercises, mainly for seniors and beginners. The exercises I'm going to show you are for functional strength. They're not a complete set of all the kettlebell exercises you can do, but these are the ones that I think are the best. And I always start with, to me, is the most important body part, and that's your legs. So let's get into the first exercise. The first thing we're going to do is the deadlift, because the deadlift to me is the most important exercise for your lower body, which is the building blocks, the foundation of your whole self. So let's get into this. The first thing you want to do is get into a comfortable position. Put the kettlebell about 1.5 feet in front of you. Kind of give yourself a little bend in the knees, and let's get down and do it. Now watch my body. The big thing with any type of deadlift is you don't want to arch that back. You want to hinge, keep a straight back as you go down like this. That is the most important thing. Build up here, build up your butt. So let's do this. I'm going to do a few. I suggest on all of these kettlebell exercises, you do maybe 10 reps to start. But you leave it up to your level of physical strength to do that. Here we go. And always breathe when you come up. Put your butt out, chest up high. Butt out, chest up high. And boom. Again, do 10 of these. And from this, what I like to do is now get into the kettlebell swing. It's working the same muscle groups, but now you're engaging your core and your upper body as well with that. So let's do this together. Get down again, ready position. Start here and up, and up, and up, and up, and up. Hinge properly. Okay, so those are two, what I like to call warm-up exercises, but they're extremely important. Take your time, don't rush these, because frankly with kettlebells, if you're a first-timer and you don't do it properly, you can hurt yourself, and we don't want that to happen. Okay, the next exercise I want to show you is probably the most important exercise you could do, whether you're using weights, just your body, or kettlebells, and that is the squat. Now with the kettlebell, we call it a goblet squat because you'll see the way I'm holding the handles tight to my chest as I go down. So we'll do that, and for me, this is the most functional exercise you can do. I'm 71 years old. It is important to me to be strong because I have a granddaughter and I like to lift her up, and I need this, I need these legs to get down to do that, to play with her. So I assume you seniors out there, if you have grandchildren, you want to keep these bad boys strong. So let's go for it. Pick it up. Again, hold it by the handle, tight. Always engage your core. Let's do this. Those three exercises, the deadlift, the kettlebell swing, and the squat, to me are the most important exercises you can do. The deadlift and the squat in particular. Now I want to work on the upper body. Now this kettlebell that I have is a little heavy for me to do a one-arm push-up, but I'm going to do an alternative, and that's going to be the upright row. Watch this. I hold the kettlebell at the top of the handle and I bring it up like this, just the way you would with a dumbbell or a barbell. Keep your core engaged, keep your body straight, don't tip over. It is so important that we seniors keep our bodies strong. We have so much more to live for. We have to be vital, we have to be strong, and to do that, our muscles have to be engaged. We have to be able to climb stairs, we have to be able to play, we need to hike and play golf and do all the things that we enjoy. So get your body strong. All right, I have another exercise for you, and this is for the back. This is a row for the back, and I'm going to do one at a time, and I'll show you how that's done. Come like this. You can start this way and twist up like this, or you could just start this way, however you prefer. But squeeze at the top of your back. Engage that upper back. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. And this will also work your bicep. Now, I'm not doing any bicep exercises for this demonstration because I'm focusing more on functional strength. And I always think that this is somewhat of a vanity thing anyway. Switch. Now, in addition, there are other exercises you can do. You could do lunges, you can do get-ups, but for this episode, I just wanted to do some basic kettlebell exercises. And that's where we're at. Remember, it's all about functional strength. We're not going on a stand and showing off our muscles anymore. This is to live actively. So, I will catch you on the next one, and hopefully you enjoy this.